What's going on today? I got Burger King for lunch, some French fries, some onion rings, zesty sauce, the best with onion rings, and a Whopper. Let's start with more onion rings. This zesty sauce is so banging. Scoop of fries. It's way better with onion rings. All you need is fries. More onion rings. They gave me napkins. Thank you, Burger King. Someone's lettuce. Feels like 100 degrees here today. It's like 70% humidity. Hot. As much as I think Burger King tastes fresher, McDonald's is always better. I don't know why. They gave me more than one too. Sweet. Hopefully the air wasn't too loud. But I had it cranking because it's so hot. I like eating in the car. I don't know why. Messy. A lot of mayonnaise. Burger King fries are good. They're just really thick. It's like dinner cut fries. And BK gives you huge veggies. Slap her down. Oh, no. Now there's mayonnaise all over this. Gross. Some more zesty sauce. This is an INS or an IN8. I don't ring. Probably about to go swim after this. It's hot. New York sucks. It's weird weather. I honestly don't even like potatoes. Fries are eh. I always get onion rings, but I got fries for the video. So I got both. I don't know. I never drink soda either, a lot. It fills me up. Wrong pipe. Drink water. It's better. Screw soda. Should have got 2 onion rings, now french fries. They're coming because I'm having a heart attack eating these french fries. And they forgot ketchup. Alright, I don't like fries. I can still eat them. But that was my lunch for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm stuffed. Not stuffed, but full enough. Also ate another sandwich for my TikTok. So if you want to check that at tscott3030, have a good one.